Hello everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we are in Savu Savu. And look at those incredible views. Savu Savu is on Vanuatu, the second largest island of Fiji out of the 333. And we are on a freehold, luxurious, fully furnished, turnkey, self-contained property with basically you have a garage up here, storage area, and separate pods, which is perfect for a family retreat or corporate retreat. So you have a two bed bath here, and then you have this just incredible pool with the water features. And if you go down the stairs here, you also have a separate, they've kind of used it as a honeymoon suite. So you have three separate living areas and you have these incredible views. And the great thing is you can then have everyone come together and converge around this beautiful rain tree table and check out this gorgeous big great room with these beautiful wood vaulted ceilings. And you can come in here and have great times, cook some great meals. You go out and do some fishing, you're going to want to grill that fish right here, and you can do it and live that right here. So, and look at the detail, nice Fijian design there. So go to professionalsfiji.com and call us at +679 999 2051 to learn more about this beautiful property and just these spectacular views. This is what you've been dreaming about, and it's literally right here waiting for you. We look forward to hearing from you and definitely telling you more about this property and all of the properties that we have available in Fiji, and specifically up here in the Savu Savu area, because there's a lot of freehold property. So that means no real estate taxes, no lease payments, no worry, no hurry. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Vinaka.